Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and today I'm sharing an instant Ragi Laddu recipe. It's healthy, sugar-free and oil-free. These Ragi Laddus are made with sprouted ragi and sprouted seeds, which helps in better digestion and in better nutrient absorption. These healthy Ragi Laddus are perfect for kids and adults as a quick energy snack. So let's get started with the recipe. For this recipe I'm using about 4 to 5 medjool dates. Medjool dates are really soft and hence it's easily blendable. I have already de-seeded the dates. Roughly slice the dates and add it into the blender jar. Next I'm adding in 1 packet or 200 grams of ragi muesli. This ragi muesli is made with sprouted ragi flakes. It is sugar free, nut free, gluten free and vegan. The natural healthy fats in this ragi muesli is from the coconut and from the sprouted seeds. I'm adding in 200 grams of ragi muesli. This ragi muesli is available on the website www.nisahomey.com. The links will be updated below this video in the description box and also will be pinned in the comments. And now I'm going to blend all this really well. Transfer the ingredients into a bowl. With clean hands, give it a good mix. So this is a 2 ingredient ragi laddu. You just need ragi muesli and soft medjool dates. The muesli does not have any added preservatives, added sugar or any artificial flavors. It is spiced with natural spices. Hence you don't need to add in any extra flavorings as well. And once it is mixed with hand, make it into small lemon-sized balls. And then roll it between your palms as I'm showing. And my quick and easy ragi laddu is ready. I'm going to roll the rest of the laddus. So guys, do try this healthy ragi laddu and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.